In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube banner in GIMP. We'll start by opening GIMP and creating the canvas that matches YouTube's banner size. Go to File, then New, and set the width to 25 and 60 pixels and the height to 1440 pixels. This gives you the full banner area that YouTube accepts. Choose a background color or leave it transparent, either works, because we'll build everything on top as separate layers. Click OK, and you'll see your empty banner ready to design. Next, bring in any photos, textures, or logos you want to feature. Use File, Open as layers, so each image arrives on its own layer you can edit independently. Select the Move tool to position them, and switch to the Scale tool to resize. Holding Shift keeps proportions as you scale, so nothing looks stretched. Keep an eye on the Layers panel to stack key elements above backgrounds, and rename layers to stay organized. Now add your channel name and a short tagline. Pick the Text tool. Click on the canvas and type. Choose a readable font. Increase the size until it stands out and adjust spacing if needed. Place your text inside the safe area, which is the central portion of the banner that remains visible across TVs, desktops, and mobile devices. A simple rule is to keep important text centered and leave generous breathing room on every edge so it never gets cropped on smaller screens. To make everything pop, enhance your layers with subtle effects. For text and logos, a soft drop shadow adds depth. In GIMP, you can apply one through the light and shadow filters, then fine-tune blur and opacity so it looks clean, not muddy. An outline around text helps readability on busy backgrounds. You can create one by selecting the text's shape and adding a thin stroke on a layer beneath. If your background feels dull, add contrast using the Colors menu. Small adjustments to brightness and contrast or levels can dramatically improve clarity. When you're happy with the layout, export the banner for upload. Go to File, Export As, choose PNG for sharp text and graphics, name your file, and confirm the settings. Keep the dimensions at 2560 by 1440 to match YouTube's requirements. That's it. With a correctly sized canvas, clear text in the safe area, and a few tasteful effects, your YouTube banner will look polished on every device.